Good morning year one, it's time for maths and today we're on lesson 2 of shapes. So your first thing you need to do is to get in your textbook on page 113 and this is what the Infocus Test looks like, okay? So then it says, can you name the shapes in this picture? So have a look at this picture, can you spot any shapes? So what's this one? Have a look and see if you can spot any more, okay? And then it'll talk you through the different shapes we're going to come across. So we're going to come across some squares. So this is a square. It doesn't matter if it looks like this or an angle, as long as the sides are the same size, it is a square. So there's 4 and they're the same length, so it's a square, okay? Then the next ones are rectangles. So again, 2 of these lines are the same length and the other 2 are the same. It doesn't matter if it's like that or an angle, as long as 2 sides are the same and the other 2 are the same, it is a rectangle. Then triangles, so these normally have a point. It could have 2 sides the same or they could all be different lengths. Triangles have 3 sides, okay? And then circles at the bottom, it's just 1 side and it's round. Right, your activity for today then, you need to go around and have a look at what you've got at home, see if you can find some shapes. So for example, in this one, this girl and boy have picked up a Rubik's Cube. So from yesterday they found a cube and they can see that each side of the cube is a square. So have a look around your house, what can you find? Can you spot any 3D or 2D shapes? And then on to the guided practice. So, which shapes are triangles? Can you have a look and identify the triangles? Which shapes are rectangles? Which shapes are squares? And which shapes are circles? And then you need to go into your workbook on page 143 and it looks like this, okay? So, it says trace the shapes and match. You need to carefully follow the lines around of each shape and then what is the shape? Match it to the correct name and repeat for the rest of them. This one, it says write the missing numbers and colour. So there are something rectangles. So count all the rectangles, write it in there. And then you need to colour all the rectangles in red. Okay, and the same for the squares, but squares are coloured in blue. Same for the circles, but circles are green. Same for triangles, but they're yellow. Okay? And then it says here, colour the shape that matches each object. So what shape is this? And then match it to one of these. So is it a square, triangle, circle, rectangle? Colour in the right one. The same for this one. These ones here, trace the common shape found in the objects of each group. So what shape is this? What shape is this? Write the name of the shape in there. Okay? And then you are finished.